es-lv95 here. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to change the blades and the foil cover on your, what is this? This is a Panasonic model number es-lv95. So what you want to do is you want to take this right here, alright? You want to squeeze these two things right here, and cover should pop right off. Oh shit. Okay, but first of all, do not drop your razor, alright? Or your shaver, alright? Alright. Okay, now, secondly, what you want to do is, there's two little tabs right in here. Now, note that you can buy, so there's two little tabs in there, and then there's two little blades right there. Alright? First, what you want to do is you want to, so what you want to do is you look right here. There'll be two tabs. You want to squeeze that, and that should probably come right out like that. So what it should look like in line too. And you want to save this part. Don't lose this piece. Alright. Next, you want to just now this is the part that I got confused on. This is why I'm making this video. A lot of people are asking, probably are asking, how do you replace these? Well, you just want to take it and just very carefully just take it and pull straight up on it. So this is hard to do with one hand. This is easier to do. Hold on, let me just see if I can put it in between my legs. Okay, there we go. So that just goes on to there. And you see how this goes on is this just goes on there right like this. So let me just show you real quick. I don't know how well you can see that. So that's what it looks like. Alright. And then when you're putting them back on, putting the new ones on, you just take it and you put it back on like this. Just gently push down on it, and it should pop right into place. But yeah, you just pull straight up on them like that, and they should come right off. These are also available on Amazon, so I'll try to leave a link in the description below, and that's it for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that most importantly you guys found this video helpful, because this is what this is all about. I know I didn't understand this. I just got this thing. I haven't used it that much yet, so it doesn't really need to be, the blades don't really need to be changed on it yet. But yeah, just trying to make a video to help everybody out, so not confusing this thing, and don't worry about breaking it or anything. So we're buying a new one, so yeah, I hope that helps. But yeah, that's all for this video. And then I just put this back on here. And that should be about it. Put it back in this case. I love this thing. And then I can clean it or whatever, but I'm not going to. But that's about it. So that's all for this video. Charles Lane 27 for Charles Lane 27. Like I said, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and give it a thumbs up. All right, and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get all the notifications for all my videos. And I will see you guys later, and I'll keep you guys updated with more videos. Thanks for watching.